If you want to start dropshipping efficiently, DSers is one of the best tools to manage products and orders. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use DSers step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to import products, manage orders, and automate your workflow. First, go to the DSers website and create an account. You can sign up using your email or log in with your Shopify account if you already have a store. Next, connect DSers to your Shopify store. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the app and link your store. This step allows DSers to manage your products and orders directly. Now, connect DSers to AliExpress. Inside the DSers dashboard, click on the AliExpress authorization option and log in to your AliExpress account. This lets you import products and place orders easily. After setup, install the DSers Chrome extension. This makes it easier to import products directly from AliExpress. Next, go to AliExpress and find the product you want to sell. Click on Add to DSers using the extension. The product will be imported into your DSers dashboard. Now, go to the import list in DSers. Here, you can edit product details like title, price, description, and variants before pushing it to your Shopify store. Once you're ready, click Push to Store. The product will appear in your Shopify store where you can further customize it. When you receive orders, go to the Orders section in DSers. Select the orders and click Place Order. DSers will automatically redirect you to AliExpress to complete the purchase. After placing the order, confirm payment and track the shipment. DSers will update tracking information in your store. In this tutorial, we learn how to use DSers by connecting accounts, importing products, pushing them to your store, and fulfilling orders. This helps automate your dropshipping business and save time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.